प्रश्नकाल के बाद मैं जिन विषयों पर आपने नोटिस दिया है उन विषयों पर मैं चर्चा कराने को तैयार हूं। जितने समय आप चर्चा करना चाहेंगे, उपयुक्त समय आपको चर्चा के लिए मिलेगा, लेकिन चर्चा प्रश्नकाल के बाद ही होती है। अगर आप सदन में चर्चा करना चाहते हैं तो आप नोटिस दीजिए, मैं प्रश्नकाल के बाद आपको चर्चा करना की अनुमति प्रदान करने के लिए तैयार हूं। आप अगर सदन नियोजित तरीके से नहीं चलाना चाहते, सदन की मर्यादा को नहीं बनाना चाहते, तो सदन की कार्रवाई नहीं चलेगी। सदन आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित किया जाता है।
I am coming to you. Please take your seat. I am coming to you. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. I am coming to you. Please take your seat. I am coming to you. Honorable members, I am pleased to inform the House that India has achieved a significant milestone, a historical milestone with the commencement of operations of the country's first indigenously developed hydrogen power train, Namo Green Rail. On the Jind-Sonipat section of the Northern Railway in Haryana, the 10-coach train marks a major step towards clean, sustainable and technologically advanced rail transportation. The House congratulates the Honorable Prime Minister, Shriman Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Minister of Railways, the officers and the staff of the Ministry of Railways, Indian Railways, and all the scientists, engineers, technicians, and others whose dedication and hard work have made this pioneering venture a big success. I am confident that this achievement will further strengthen India's journey towards sustainable green mobility and alternative green energy for betterment of humanity. Let me complete all this. I am coming back to you. I am telling I am coming back to you. Papers to be laid on the table.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यावली के क्रमांक
Nothing will go on record except
मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय,
I am coming back to you. Please take your seat. Honorable member, please take your seat. I am coming back to you. Please.
आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्य सूची के
श्रीमान PL वर्मा जी,
अपने नाम के सम्मुख अंकित पत्र सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान बंडी संजय कुमार जी,
मैं आज की पुनर्निश्चित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 1C पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख के लिए दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान सुगंध मजूमदार जी,
Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number D in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमान हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी,
Honorable Chairman sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1E of the revised list of business. Thank you.
messages from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 21st July 2026 adopted the following 3 motions recommending to the Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree: 1. To nominate 1 member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Accounts for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Shukhendu Shekhar Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 8th June 2026. 2. To nominate 1 member from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Public Undertakings for the unexpired portion of the term of the committee, Vice Shri Devashish Samant Rai, resigned from Rajya Sabha with effect from 25th May 2026. And 3. To elect 10 members amongst the members from Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and do communicate to the Lok Sabha the names of members so nominated or elected by the Rajya Sabha.